Hey! You've heard that talk about AI stealing jobs? Lies. It's actually creating careers that didn't even exist 3 years ago, and they pay really well. Today, I'll show you 7 jobs that exist only because of AI, and every single one pays over 10,000 Rs a month. The best part? You can start tomorrow. Ready? Hit play. Job number 1, prompt engineer. Yes, people get paid to write questions for AI. A prompt engineer crafts the perfect instructions, so the AI gives exactly what you need. Sounds simple? It's not. Some companies pay $15,000–$25,000 a month for this skill. Anthropic hired prompt engineers for US $335,000 a year, nearly $140,000 per month. How to start? Practice daily on ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. Learn techniques like chain of thought and few-shot learning. Build a portfolio with your best prompts. Apply to AI startups. Secret: understand how AI thinks and guide it to the perfect result. Job number 2, AI ethics consultant with great power, come great ethical headaches. This pro makes sure AI systems aren't biased, don't invade privacy, and obey the law. Why the high pay? Because one biased model can cost millions in lawsuits and destroy a company's reputation. Average pay, where $12, $20,000 in Brazil, over $40,000 in multinationals. You'll need knowledge of the LGPD and AI regulations, algorithmic bias, ethics, law, or tech. Background: where? Google, Meta, banks, hospitals, anyone using AI for major decisions. Future: even more demand as Europe and Brazil roll out new AI laws. Job number 3, synthetic data scientist. Wait, fake data? Exactly, and it's genius. They create artificial data that looks real to train AIs without exposing personal info. Why it matters: privacy, security, speed. Example: hospitals can't share real patient data, so these scientists create virtual patients for medical. AI training. Salary: for $15, $30,000, abroad over US $150,000 a year. How to start? Learn Python and libraries like Faker, SDV, or Gretel. Study machine learning and statistics. Understand data privacy laws. Didn't exist in 2020? Now? Essential. Job number 4, AI product manager. That AI feature in your favorite app? This person made it happen. They decide what problem AI will solve, how it works, and if it makes business sense. They bridge engineers, users, and executives. Salary: were $12, $25,000, Brazil, for $35,000 plus at Nubank, iFood, Stone. You'll need basic AI and ML, digital product management, data analysis, strong communication. Why booming? Every company's adding AI. Someone must ensure it solves real problems, not just looks cool. Job number 5, conversational AI designer. Ever chatted with a bot that felt human? That's their job. They design how virtual assistants and chatbots talk to you. Tone, personality, responses, even jokes. Examples: Alexa, bank assistants, e-commerce bots. Salary: Brazil, $10, $18,000, abroad, US $120, $180,000 year. How to start? Learn UX writing and conversation design. Use Dialogflow, Rasa, or Voiceflow. Create your own chatbot project. Study linguistics and psychology. Goal: make AI sound less robotic, more human, without faking it. Job number 6, AI trainer. Yes, you can be the teacher of artificial intelligence. They review AI answers, fix mistakes, teach language, culture, and context. Like a teacher, but the student learns fast. Companies like OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, Scale AI hire thousands of trainers. Salary: were $8, $15,000 entry, up to 25,000 with specialties in law, medicine, or coding. Requirements: excellent Portuguese or English, attention to detail, domain knowledge. Why important? AI is only as good as the people who teach it, and that could be you. Job number 7, AI Integration Specialist. The most wanted role in Brazil right now. They take ready-made AI tools, ChatGPT, Midjourney, automation apps, and connect them to business processes. No need to build AI from scratch, just make it work together. Example: a real estate agency wants AI for customer chats, ads, and lead qualification. This specialist sets it up using APIs and no-code tools. Salary, or $10, 22,000 CLT or freelance. Per project, $5, 15,000. Start today. Learn Zapier, Make, NADEN. Master APIs of ChatGPT, Claude, 11 Labs. Offer consulting to small businesses. Build case studies. The goldmine? 90% of companies want AI but don't know how. Be the one who shows them. So, see how AI isn't stealing jobs, it's creating opportunities. Quick recap: prompt engineer, AI ethics consultant, synthetic data scientist, AI product manager, conversational designer, AI trainer, integration specialist. All pay over $10,000, and you can start with online courses and personal projects. Your challenge: pick one of these careers and research it for the next 7 days. Comment AI career plus the number you chose, and tell me which one surprised you most. If you liked this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because next time I'll show you 5 free courses to start today. I'm Nova, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.